especially on a day like today, is probably a lot of melting, I would think, of hailstones. Anything on the correlation coefficient?
Well, I am seeing on my Weather 2 computer near the Slocum area these little color changes, these yellows, southeast of Rigorish Addition. And what that indicates is that this is a picture that we can use the radar and we can identify different items in the sky that are weather related and not weather related. And this is something that, in particular, these little colors here, I'm going to circle the area. You can see these little areas where you can maybe get possibly some debris or something that's not supposed to be there. That's what this tool indicates. And while the radar rotation does not look as impressive as it did earlier, we can sometimes use this to confirm if indeed there is a possible tornado with the thunderstorm. And right now, it does indeed show that there is a radar indicated threat here until at least 4:30.
Okay. Yeah, and we're still seeing some of that rotation again, right between Rigorish Addition and Scioto Dale. That's still showing up on the radar, on both radars, and moving on down to the south. Now we've kind of lost the hook signature again. See how it's kind of flat? See, we went from that.
Yeah, it's more.
We had a
straight now.
we had a prominent hook or kind of a notch right there, and now it's kind of flattened. It's kind of flattened out again. So it's kind of an evolving storm. You know, there's not a lot of wind shear today. So this isn't kind of situation. We have the heat energy out here in the west. We don't have a ton of wind energy. So these cells, you know, these things are kind of, there's a lot of interactions of boundaries and things like that. So these storms can kind of kick up all of a sudden and gain some rotation, and then they can kind of fall apart. So yeah, we're continuing to watch this one as it's dropping on down to the south here. So this might, you know, kind of parallel the Ohio River right along the Greenup County border over the next 15 minutes or so.